Let's look at making some compost for our balcony. First of all, I've found a nice sized pot with some holes in the bottom, of course. Then I like to put some, just a nice thin layer of soil at the bottom. In this case, I'm using some organic soil. Then after that, I'm going to take my brown. Now the brown is usually made up of old twigs and leaves and stuff like that. Put that in on top of the organic soil. Then this is the time for putting your food scraps in. Anything from the kitchen. In my case, I eat a lot of fruit, so that goes in. Even tea bags. My tea bags go in there as well. Vegetables, they all go in to make the third layer there. Then I'm just going to put some more organic soil on top of that. This is to build it up, but also to keep away the bugs and the flies from just gathering around the scraps there. You know, sometimes I like to have my door open to the apartment. If they're out there, they'll get into the apartment, so keeps the bugs off there. After about 3 or 4 days, just mix up your mixture, stir it up a bit, mix it together, and after this we'll start making some more layers. Okay, so what I'll do is get some more brown stuff, put some brown stuff on top. This time I've mainly got twigs, stuff like that. They're going to go in there, and then I'll get my scraps, which I've saved, put them on top as well. And then after that, I'm going to put some more soil, organic soil on top of that, and then I will water it. So you should keep it nice and damp. So water it just when you see it all going dry. Make sure it's in a nice sunny spot. Will turn into compost a lot quicker if it's in a nice sunny spot. If you haven't got any sunshine happening there, it'll still turn into compost, but it will take a longer time. Okay, so I'll just leave you with the rest of the video there. There are many different ways of making compost. This is the way that I make it. And I don't really need that much because I haven't got that many plants happening at the moment. So this is all I need for my balcony. So good luck with your compost making. All the best, and see you soon. I'll make sure that you hit the subscribe button, as they always say, and like it, whatever, and I'll see you next time. Oh, by the way, it'll probably take about 3 or 4 months before it's all ready.